Hello everyone, this is Jyoti from Verbal Hub, and in this video we are going to discuss about simple past tense. Let's talk about simple past tense. Simple past tense tells us about the action in sequence, story narration, events or past happenings. Now, suppose if I have asked you a simple question, that is, tell me how did you spend your day yesterday? So what should be your answer? Your answer should be like, yesterday I woke up late, then I got ready for the work, then I moved to the office, I worked for 8 hours, and then I enjoyed party after meeting or after office. So everything you are saying, it is a sequence of sentence, and yes, you are using past tense. Now how to identify these are past tense or present tense? Let me tell you it after some time. So let's get back to the point. It is story narration. Next one is story narration. So whatsoever you were telling me before about the sequence of action, that can be a story as well. For example, if you have seen an animation and now you have to narrate me the same example. There was a village and one rabbit was living with his family, and there were 5 members in rabbit's family. So these things, it is story narration. So the part of sentences I need to use here, that is past simple. Next one is telling events. Again, it is repeated. See, sequence of action should be of past event. Event, it means the thing that had done, or story narration can be of an event also. Past happening, here again you are talking about some actions those you have done before. Now, sometimes when you highlight some particular point of time or some particular habits that you used to do before, where you use used to. Alright, example, I used to study for 8 hours. It means particularly if I say when I was in graduation, I used to study for 8 hours. So this is the specific point of time I'm talking here, and that's why I used to. But what if I have to say in a general way and it is just sequence of action, then I need to write everything or I need to speak everything in past simple. Hope this point is clear to you. Now, I did not used to study for 8 hours, so that's how I have to write in negative sentence. Now, structure of writing simple present is subject, verb, second form and object. Example, she worked hard. It means it is not the present time where she works. Instead, we are talking about maybe yesterday she worked hard. So that is verb second form. Next is how to write the same sentence in negative. So the structure should be did not verb first form. Example, she did not work hard. It means yes. Here is a note that if we are writing did not, so second form of verb cannot be written along with did not, and otherwise this will be error of the sentence. So she did not worked hard, that is incorrect. So that's why we need to write she did not work hard, and work should be the first form. Okay, or yes, work is first form of verb. Next one, here are some markers: at night, last night, last week, last Monday, at noon, 2 days ago, yesterday. So such words like ago, yesterday, last day are the markers of simple past tense.